If a natural gas line is not already in front of your home, South Jersey Gas will need to take extra steps before delivering safe, reliable natural gas to your home or business. When you inquire about having natural gas extended to your area, we will first determine if an extension project is possible. We use the term canvassing to explain how we extend our natural gas pipelines and develop main extension projects to see if other homeowners in your area would also be interested in natural gas. If a main extension project is possible, we'll mail out interest surveys and knock on doors to see if others in your neighborhood would like to make the switch to natural gas. As every main extension project is different, contact your sales representative for your project's specific details. If enough homeowners show interest in switching to natural gas, we'll begin collecting applications for service. After obtaining a sufficient number of applications to support extending our pipeline, we'll move the project forward with property owners by selecting natural gas meter locations. Your sales representative will work with you to choose the best location for your meter. Check out our other video, Meter Locations, for more information. Once South Jersey Gas has received permit approval and scheduled your installation, you will receive notification to mark out all privately run utilities and lines. For more on how to mark out private lines, watch our video titled Markouts. Finally, your natural gas service line will be connected from the main piping in your street to your home, and you will be ready to convert or install your natural gas appliances.